Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't waste time. First, make sure the laptop has power, airplane mode is off, and any physical Wi-Fi switch is on. Once done, check another phone or tablet on the same network to confirm whether the router provides internet. If other devices work, you focus on the laptop. Make sure to note your operating system and recent updates or installs because those clues guide driver and settings fixes. You now dig into drivers and settings because most laptop Wi-Fi failures stem from these. On Windows, open Device Manager, right-click the wireless adapter, uninstall it, then reboot to reinstall. On Mac OS, update the network kexts or reinstall the latest update. Next, run the built-in network troubleshooter and reset TCP/IP. Use ipconfig release and renew if needed. Also verify you're connecting to the correct You finish with advanced actions and a practical tip so you can get back online. If multiple devices fail, power cycle and factory reset the router, then test the laptop close to the router to rule out range. Update your laptop BIOS and wireless firmware, and disable power saving for the adapter to prevent drops. If the internal card still fails, use a USB Wi-Fi dongle or tether your phone as a temporary fix. If problems persist, document error messages before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.